Marshalltown Magnesium hand floats are the go-to floats for concrete jobs of all sizes. Magnesium is ideal as a concrete floating tool because it's very lightweight and durable. Marshalltown Magnesium hand floats have a large, comfortable handle and nicely balanced feel. There are a variety of ergonomic handle shapes and styles to fit your grip. Choose between wood, DuraSoft, DuraCork, and structural foam handles. Marshalltown Magnesium hand floats help you effectively push down aggregate, create a uniform surface, and prepare the concrete for finishing. The high-quality magnesium blades come in round or square ends. Round end blades help reduce drag lines, while square end blades help work in edges and corners. Marshalltown offers blade lengths from 7.5 to 24 inches long. All of our high-quality floats have a curved working surface for more contact with the concrete, getting the job done faster and easier. To see the full list of models available, check online at Marshalltown.com.